M-Trim presents WPB 5180 Colonial Baseboard. Measuring 5 1/4 inches height by 5/8 inch width by 8 feet long, this waterproof polymer trim offers timeless elegance with modern durability. It blends classic curves with advanced performance. This pre-painted waterproof baseboard is made from high-density PVC composite, crafted from 100% recycled materials, and does not require additional painting. It is insect-resistant and will not rot, mold, or warp. Designed to cover the gap between the floor and wall, it protects surfaces from scratches while enhancing the room's overall look, ideal for traditional and transitional interiors. Lightweight and easy to cut. Though pre-painted for convenience, it can be customized with water-based paint to match any space. Style it with dining rooms with crown molding accents, entryways with paneled walls, home offices with wood-look floors, where classic design. M-Trim, molding innovation.